Passive income is a term I'm sure you've heard a lot about, but how and where do you get started? I'm going to show you how you can start by selling digital products right now. You've probably heard the expression, make money while you sleep. That's the biggest draw that entices people to earn passive income. But what exactly is passive income? Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. In essence, you can do most of the work up front or front loading and put some additional effort along the way to earn an income. For example, if you create an online course, you just need to update its content when needed for more relative examples to keep the money flowing and by staying current with its content to keep driving value. You can create other digital products like digital downloads, an ebook, or digital projects like the ones we're going to discuss in this video and sell them on your website or social media platforms. This is commonly referred to as e-commerce. So if you're looking to create your own products instead of selling someone else's, you can create digital products. You can create all sorts of products that you can sell right on your website or through your social media channels. Selling these products is the epitome of passive income, as the entire process can be completely automated from start to finish with instant downloads after payment has been received. The whole passive income desire is talked about a lot, but never really laid out on how or where to begin, especially when it comes to digital products, or AKA e-commerce. There's more to it behind the scenes and not just, well, I've got my digital product created, why isn't it selling? Some things to consider when setting up e-commerce for digital products are going to be, what products are you going to sell? Does it fill a specific need? Your website page, social media promotion, payment options, checkout experience, download procedures, upsell potential, and update capabilities. Like I said, digital products can include ebooks, online courses, PDFs, custom graphic designs, stock photos, or other digital goods. So let's take a look at some of the digital products I currently offer on my website that are easily the highest passive income earners for me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of the actual digital products that I am currently selling on my website. And if you want to check any of these out, you can obviously go to my website at digitalmediacreatoracademy.com. So as I've got mine set up, I've got a button up here or a tab up here called Store. And you can see right now I've got live streaming video graphics packs, pre-made social media templates, and video templates. So let's look at the biggest passive income earner for myself, and that's going to be the live streaming video graphics pack. So all you have to do is click on that button, and it's going to take you directly to the information and sales page. Now, how I have this set up is it's telling you all about the digital product that you're looking at and considering buying. It's going to tell you what's included in your live streaming video graphics packs. And you can actually come down here and choose from 12 different formats or 12 different design templates, if you will. Now, obviously, when I spoke about earlier in the video is we did a lot of front loading of this content. So it took me some time to create all of these because you get 6 different things with each video graphics packs. And I had to do that times 12. So what is that? That's about 72 different graphic design pieces I had to create. But the good thing, like I said, about front loading your digital product work is once it's done, it's done. You can post it to sell, you can promote it on social media, you can bring people to your website, and then they have all of it right there in front of them, and you don't have to do anything else except help promote it and help draw people into your website, your landing page, or wherever you're going to actually sell your digital product. Now I have mine set up to where you come down here, you choose your live streaming video graphics pack template. You just simply click on the Buy Now button, which is going to take you to a PayPal page to where you can either put your PayPal account information in, or I also give my customers the option to actually just pay with a debit or credit card. Once that transaction goes through and is approved, they're immediately taken to the download page where they can start using the graphics or the digital product that they just purchased immediately. Passive income can really help elevate your earnings and fill in the gaps that your full-time job can't fill on its own. And it's okay if you like your full-time job too. The work that goes into earning passive income tends to be manageable when paired with a 9-to-5, so you can do both. But whether you're looking to start selling digital products, start your own agency, or create profitable content, you'll find there's money to be made in all of these areas. All you need to do is get started. If you'd like to learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.